I now have some parts for the Miata, and yes, the tape's already off, but I haven't actually looked in here to see what this is. I have a feeling it's the sub and box, because that's the first thing that they said was going to come in. So let's get to this. And I was right. I got this off eBay. Oh wow, it actually has some weight to it. Go ahead. Clear the box, please. Harmony Audio. I've never heard of this brand before. Seems like it's going to work pretty well. 1/2 inch MDF from what the post on eBay said. Terminals, I wish they were on the other side over here. Well, I paid 110 bucks for it, so not too bad. I'm not going to be installing this tonight. The next clip you'll see is probably going to be Friday whenever I'm off work and I have time to actually install it, get my amp together, and all that other fun stuff. So see y'all in the next clip. What's going on today, guys? Today we're working on the Miata. It's actually tonight. I just got off work. I just got this. Now I had one of these beforehand. It didn't fit. Hopefully this one fits, because it said it was for my car anyway. So we're going to get to taking this one off, the OEM one, and hopefully everything works out and I can get the O2 down there, if you can see it, extended far enough to reach the other O2 port. Alright, so I'm going to start taking all of these bolts, not the bolts, but the nuts off the studs. Maybe the studs out of the block, who knows. It's not like 100% hot, like I'm able to touch it just fine. Actually, it's only warm now, so I think I'm good. That's tightening. I feel like the stud's going to come out with this one. Nope, just the nut. Alright, we'll be back after we get all these out. It's okay, I learned how to trim that on videos back on the last video. Hey, is this hot? Alright, so we just got through getting all the bolts off. Actually, none of the studs came out. This guy he's loose. I gotta go, me and him gotta go underneath the car and undo the cap, and then finagle with this thing trying to get it out. And then I gotta take the O2 out, and I'm not looking forward to that one because I don't think I got a wrench or anything big enough. And I don't have an O2 socket either, so I want to see how that works. Alright, so Josh is underneath there. If I can get down there. He's getting the cat bolts and all that out. And then this guy right, oh, you can't see it, it's too dark, but this guy right here should be ready to come out then. Alright, so now we got all the studs undone, got the O2 out. I just used this crap here. And we got the cat unbolted. Now we're going to try to pull this out. I don't think it's going to be very easy though. Yep, nope, not very easy. Is there a trick to this? Hey, there we go. Haha. Go. So we got the new one here. This one's light, man. And then the old one. This one's actually kind of heavy. I don't know why. I guess weight reduction, bro. Alright, time to get this one in. Hopefully it doesn't give us any troubles. Good. Alright, so I only put it that far in there. I don't know if it's going to line up. I'm hoping it does. Ow. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-uh. Mm-mm. That's not good. Nope. Don't line up. Why? Why don't you line up? You want to try to go underneath the car and lift it up and see if that's it?
I bet that's it, honestly. It's still filming.
That's fine.
Can I get some light? B5 light.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Don't let it fall on you. It's light, but it's heavy.
Oh, it's like crooked as hell.
I was afraid of that.
Yeah, that's like hell crooked, bro.
Is it? It doesn't even look like it's gonna line up with the cat, huh? Oh god.
Yep. It'll line up with the cat like there.
Yeah, no.
No?
They sent me the wrong damn header, man.
Joking?
Yep. This is whack. Okay. Never mind. That didn't work. That didn't work at all.
Was this the second time?
This is the second time, man.
Get some light on that so they can see what's going on.
Yeah. So
Here. Hook you real quick.
right here, you can see that it doesn't even line up at all. Like, it will go into the first one right here, the first two, start going into this one down here, maybe a little bit right there, but right here, this one down here, and over here, none of them are lining up. You know, instead of doing this, I guess we could do the headlights.
Right now?
Why not? I mean, we're gonna have to have them at night to adjust them anyway.
Okay. Well,
Yeah. Alright, cancel the header install.
rest in peace.
Alright, so, right now, instead of... I've already emailed them about it. Whatever. I'm going to... I saw Junjium do this, so why wouldn't it work for us? His was a 1.6, and I'm pretty sure you got the same header. You know? Whatever. I'm gonna try to wallow these two holes out a little bit more to see if I can get them to slide over the studs. Because with the gasket on, the gaskets are tight against the studs, so it's not gonna have an exhaust leak right there. I think. So, none of it worked. Didn't get the header back in there. It's right here. I tried. Aww. I'm done with the day, dude. I guess that's what I get for buying an $80 header. Just learn from me, guys. If you're gonna buy an exhaust part, make sure it's quality. I want to try to put the headlights in now, because I want to at least do something in this video that's an install that you can be able to see. I have a rear lip too, that's in there, but it's too dark to install that tonight because I want to make sure I get that perfect. Alright, so instead of the header, because that piece of crap didn't work, I'm going to install these headlights that I got. They're LED halos, and then the normal halogen bulb with the projector lenses. I've already tested the halos. They work on both of them. That's fine. The bulb is my main concern. I got them for, what was it, like $33 for these two headlights.
Oh yeah, something like that.
And then the fog lights, but I was gonna put the fog lights in the stream of the lip right there, I guess is what you could call it. But they don't fit, and I'd probably get a lot of hate because, oh, that's to keep the brakes cooled down when you're driving around the racetrack. It's stance. It's not a race car. Halogen bulb thingies. Can you see me?
No, right now we're gonna do an initial test. There's the new bulb right there, so you can go ahead and turn them on. As you can see, it's
Are they better?
not on camera.
So, the headlights don't work either. I can't get the connecting pieces that connect them to the housings right there to fit over the new headlights. They look like they're the same size to me. So, I don't know. That concludes this video though, guys. Subscribe for more. Dislike because nothing ever goes as planned. I guess in the next video I'll be putting on the rear lip. There's no way that one should mess up. I guess, I don't know. Peace out, guys.